Okay, here's the thing. SHOULBOX is without doubt one of the most popular streaming apps that there was around, period. And despite loads of posts and tweets saying that SHOULBOX is coming back, new websites releasing stating that they are SHOULBOX, the truth is SHOULBOX isn't back, and one of the most common questions is SHOULBOX really dead? Well, stay tuned, because in this video we're going to go over the facts, what we know. We're going to take a look at some of the other websites that were involved with SHOULBOX and why they are gone. I'm going to explain to you why SHOULBOX is not going to come back, in my opinion, and I'm also going to show you some of the people that are claiming they're SHOULBOX when in fact they're not. They are just affiliating another website or product just to make some money. So stay tuned, because this video should answer all your SHOULBOX questions. So firstly, welcome back. This is the StreamDroid channel. We cover streaming content, streaming apps, news, tutorials and tips. So if you guys are into streaming and you want to stay up to date, it'd be great if you could subscribe to this channel and ring that bell icon to never miss a future upload. So SHOULBOX is the popular talking point at the minute. It's a popular streaming app, and in some cases most people say it is the best app that there ever was. Now if you're looking for a SHOULBOX alternative, stay tuned, because I'm going to let you know a place where you can get some great alternatives, except these apps have a lot more 4K and 1080 links, but we'll get into that a bit later. So SHOULBOX has been offline for quite some time, going back to last year now, and since they went offline, there's been a load of different fake people. There's been a load of fake profiles, websites, apps set up claiming they are SHOULBOX when in fact they are not. I also released a video on my Lee TV tech channel stating that SHOULBOX is back. Yes, it was clickbait, but I wanted you guys to watch that video, and people are still watching it today, which is great because it exposes the fake services that's out there, and I wanted to spread the message that it just isn't worth paying for these services when they are not SHOULBOX. So hopefully you guys have seen that. If not, I'll link it down below, or you may even see it towards the end of this video in one of the recommended videos that pop up. Now when I'm looking for video ideas, I'll often scroll through Reddit and have a look what is the talking points, and as you can see there's loads of different SHOULBOX hosts. But if we go over to this article from DigitBin, under the topic saying SHOULBOX is shut down, they've said it's true, SHOULBOX is shutting down for good. The app, which served millions of users worldwide, is closing its door. Now of course this could be a fake article, it could be fake, but what we do know is that Torrent Freak reported on the matter as well, and apparently there was a production company that requested Cloudflare to reveal the identities through subpoenas or the operators behind SHOULBOXBuzz.com, SHOULBOX Software, RawAPK.com, both versions of Popcorn Time, YTS.ag and YTS.gg, and also SHOULBOXAppDownload.com. Apparently there was a lawsuit filed against these which prevented SHOULBOX from being distributed on these websites, and what we do know is the real SHOULBOX, when it was operating, didn't have an official website because of legal pressures. They even admitted that themselves. So there was already legalities behind the operation of SHOULBOX. Now going back a while ago, they were tweeting, say it was coming back and they're trying to fix different things, but a lot of people didn't fall for it. And since then on Reddit, you'll find loads of different posts saying that SHOULBOX was taken over by an anti-piracy group and that it can't be trusted, and if there is any website or anything pushing some SHOULBOX service, stay completely clear of it. Now on many websites that claim they were SHOULBOX or distributed SHOULBOX, you'll see the same message, which is SHOULBOX is not a legitimate software application for watching copyright protected movies. The movie studios will be able to see your IP address and your complete viewing history. You'll be very likely to be sued for copyright infringement. Those websites that promote and or distribute SHOULBOX will also be pursued by the movie studios, no matter what extent you go through to hide your identity. Now going back to like different shutdowns of Kodi add-ons or apps and stuff, when they've had cease and desist or takedown requests, you often see little statements similar to that, explaining that they're closing down for different reasons and give some form of warning to the user. It appears to be the case here, and because of all the takedowns we've seen, the huge popularity that SHOULDbox offered, even when it's not online, it is still one of the most requested and talked about apps across all platforms. So there's going to be big attempts to shut that service down. You see it with smaller IPTV services, smaller websites. Look what happened to Nights.tv and how fast that became popular and how quick that website got shut down as soon as the popularity increased. If you don't know what I'm talking about, at the end of the video, I'll put the video relating to Nights.tv and that website shut down by Ace. Make sure you watch that at the end of this video. But my point is, time and time again, we're seeing these shutdowns. Now, one thing that is very frustrating is the fake names and profiles that pop up claiming they are these services when they're not. And I covered these in that SHOULDbox's back video that I spoke about earlier on. But if we head on over to Twitter, here is one. It's called Real SHOULDbox App. Sounds real, looks real, but they've only got 3,000 followers. We scroll down, they are linking to SHOULDbox.space. That is a fake website, and it's also exactly the same website as SHOULDbox.care. Again, I've already covered that SHOULDbox.space video. When you go to the website, it looks legit. Of course, you get pop-ups. You've got loads of different episodes. It looks very similar to SHOULDbox, and you would think it is. And when you go to click something, again, you get another annoying pop-up, more annoying spam and malware. Everything just screams fake. But here's where the truth is. If you go to download app, you'll get some fancy little HTML or PHP script making you think that a download is about to start. And then you get this pop-up telling you to use or download SHOULDbox. You have to go through and sign up. But then this sign up will take you to signup.funmartin.com, which is a subdomain of funmartin.com. So again, here you're under the impression you're going to sign up for free. But funmartin.com offer an affiliate service, and this subdomain of this website is actually an affiliate portal for Funmartin, which is a service that will offer the best nature movies, games and books for £7.95 a month. So not even full content, it's all nature content. So you're going to get loads of different websites that claim their SHOULDbox, just like these fake SHOULDbox.space, SHOULDbox.care, and SHOULDbox.anything that pops up. It just is not real, and do not fall for it. It's a scam, it's fake. They're just referring people to a nature streaming service just to pocket the affiliate money, because they know how big the SHOULDbox term is used in searches and social platforms. So if you're following people like this on Twitter, my suggestion is just unfollow them, get away from them, and don't even give them the exposure to scam or mislead other people that are looking for the real SHOULDbox. Now, I'm not going to show you where you can download SHOULDbox or get a working version, because it's gone. That's what it boils down to, and that's the best way to move away from this situation, is to understand that SHOULDbox is no longer available and start to find other apps out there that's free, that's ad-free, that's got all the content SHOULDbox offered plus more. And the best way to find these apps is on this website, on your Android box, Android phone, or Fire Stick using the downloader app. Head on over to updatecody.com, and if we hover over the downloads and go to download streaming apps, there's loads of one-click downloads on this website. My last video was TV Zion. That is a great app, but also the likes of Cat Mouse, Typhoon, and there's loads of other apps on there. It gets updated all the time. There's free TV and also players to use with these apps. And to get a download started, you simply click it and the download begins. That's how easy it is on your streaming device. And my opinion is to check out TV Zion. I use it with Real Debrid and Premium Eyes. It's awesome. In fact, you can find the video I released yesterday on this channel, which explains in more detail what TV Zion actually is and how it works. But my point is, there's plenty other apps and services out there that's free, that's great, and is rammed with content. You don't need SHOULDbox. move away from it, bookmark this website, which of course I'll leave in the video description, and help me out by spreading this message. I want everyone to know the truth of what's going on, and I don't want anyone scammed. So if you could share this video, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and more importantly, never miss any updates or exposure videos like this by subscribing to the channel, ringing the bell icon, and that way you'll get alerted of anything that comes out on this channel. Use the card in the outro that's coming up to watch the TV Zion update and why you should download it, or even some of the other apps on there to use as the best SHOULDBOX alternative for 2020, and go and have a look what other videos are on this channel because you may find them useful. Anyway, that is all for this one, so I'm going to be back with another one soon. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Don't feel fucking